Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluwasho. I hope you had a very good weekend. So, as you can see from the title, 23 nurses in the United States has been indicted that they got their nursing credential through a fraudulent means. And out of those 23 nurses, 18 of them are from Nigeria. So the Texas Board of Nursing has filed charges against 23 nurses that resides in Texas, United States of America, for obtaining their educational credentials through a fraudulent means. So when I saw this news, I thought to myself, no, I'm not going to be doing the half-baked, I'm not a journalist. I'm not going to be bringing half-baked news to my channel. Let me try a little bit to dig further, because I saw comments from that when I saw the news. I saw so many comments like, oh, it is not the fault of these nurses, they are just victims themselves. So I decided, okay, let me check what is really happening. All right, before I move on, if you're new on this channel and you like what I do, please do subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. I do not take the love for granted. So I'm just going to read statements from the Texas Board of Nursing that they put out on their website. It says the board has filed formal charges against the following nurses for fraudulently obtaining educational credentials. The board is authorized to file formal charges against the nurse if probable cause exists that the nurse has committed an act listed in their code. They went on to list so many of their codes there. I don't want to bore us with that. Further, formal charges are publicly available, and they now put a note there that please note that formal charges are not a final disciplinary action, and a nurse is still permitted to work as a nurse while the formal charges are pending. So they went ahead to list the names of these nurses. Like I said earlier, out of 23 nurses, 18 of them are from Nigeria, and there are other non-Nigerian nurses as well. And from the name, there seems to be like Ghana, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. So like I said I went to dig further, because I read in the comment that people were saying sort of like it's the fault of the school. So what I got is that is a scheme going on in a school based in Florida that they sell license to people. Please, if you're in the US and you're reading this, help me verify this story, put your comments, and let's just learn from it. I don't know how true this is. So what they do is that allegedly they sell and purchase nursing diploma and transcript to willing but unqualified individual. If this is true, this is not good. So overall, this scheme involved the distribution of more than 7,600 fake nursing diploma issued by these 3 South Florida based nursing school. This is wahala. This is real wahala. So the FBI investigators now said that these schools has now been closed. Oof. No, this is not good. No. So, and this is actually a public safety concern now, because like I said, life are at stake here. If you don't have the qualification to treat patient or to look after patient, how have they been doing it? How did they even sit down and pass the nursing board exam in the first place, that they didn't check that their diploma or their transcript is fake? There is so many questions that I have. I don't understand. So an attorney from the southern district of Florida said that this is a public safety concern, and it also tarnishes the reputation of nurses who actually complete the demanding clinical and coursework required to obtain their professional license and employment, which is true. Now there will going to be extreme light shed on people now, which I'm not saying is bad, but now they'll start scrutinizing. It's hard enough for nurses that are coming in from Africa, from back home, to practice, because they have to go through so many rigorous exams like that. And now you're making things really hard for them, if this is true. You know, and no, this is what I still don't get, is that these nurses still get to work, because to them now that formal charges is not the final disciplinary action. If it is true that they are not qualified, why are they still working then? Because I think it's ideal that we protect people's life. Abi, am I saying jargons? Let me know, please. So I've decided to read out some of the articles where I got few of this news from, because the ones that are being posted on the blogs, they are kind of half-baked, and I don't want to do that. So it seems like it's the FBI's doing. It's I mean, a sting operation going on. It's called Operation Nightingale. So the FBI is exposing a crime syndicate that is stationed all over the United States that issues fake nursing diplomas and degree for money, up until they charge about $10,000 and upward for this. And there are some other news articles. Let me just read it out for us. So on January 25th, 2023, the United States of Health and Human Services Office of Inspector General and our law enforcement partner launched the multi-station coordinator law enforcement action to apprehend individuals that are engaged in a scheme to sell fake and fraudulent nursing degree, diploma, and transcript. The enforcement action resulted in the execution of search warrants in certain cities in the United States like New York, New Jersey, Texas, and Florida, and 25 individuals has been charged for their involvement in the fraudulent scheme. So the alleged scheme involved the selling of fake and fraudulent nursing degree, diploma, and transcript that has been obtained from an accredited Florida-based nursing school to aspiring registered nurse and licensed practical and vocational nurses. So these individuals who acquire the bogus nursing credential use them to qualify to sit for the National Nursing Board exam. Oh, no wonder. No wonder. So with this certificate, they can sit for the board exam. All right. Upon successful completion of the board exam, the nursing applicant became eligible to obtain license in various states to work as a registered nurse or as a practical or vocational nurse. So the individuals were then able to obtain employment in the healthcare field. Oh, okay. I'm glad I kind of dig deeper so you don't roast me in the comment section. All right, okay, that is all making sense now. So it's an FBI operation now. Like I said, it's called Operation Nightingale, and I think it's still going to go on. I think they just want to use that to clear the field up. If this is true and more nurses are being caught, from what I read, sorry, I should read more further, that crimes such as this can the defendant can face up to 20 years in prison, according to the court documents. 20 years because of fake document, because of money. Does it really worth it? I don't think so. I don't think so. 20 years. Oh, that means you leave your husband, you leave your wife, you leave your children, you leave your family and loved one behind. If this is true, I have to put that out there. This is still allegedly, but if they eventually found guilty, they can face up to 20 years in prison. All right. Thank you everyone for watching. Let me know your thoughts and your opinion in the comment section. Give the video a thumbs up. Sorry, like, comment, and share. Yeah, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.